to be making a armor piece, and I really enjoy working with the Warbler because I like making props.
I am hoping to make a pair of horns, like devil horns.
I've learned that it's a lot better to make stuff out of like foam and Warbler than cardboard. I find inspiration from looking at other cosplayers and what they do, and also like just seeing people very excited and happy to cosplay. It makes me really happy that there's other people. I think putting yourself in a costume will momentarily transport you to that universe for a little bit.
Yeah, I see going back to work on it as a way to push aside any issues and just focus on something you really love doing.
Cosplay's been rather new for me. I've been doing costumes for over 22 years and slowly been doing cosplay because people I know have asked me to do a costume for them. It's so fun to see what people come up with. It's just like a whole bunch of friends. We all understand each other. We're all asking, how did you make that? What did you use? You know, and getting ideas from each other. And it's great because it feeds our imagination to see what someone else did. And then all of a sudden we're like, oh, I could do something else similar. So I think people think it's just nerdy, or I don't know, some people think it's silly, but we have older people, I'm talking 60s, 70s, 80s, coming dressed up. And it's just, I think it's an all age thing that now more people are becoming all ages. All the way from little children to older people, where before it seemed to be more like teens or young adults. I highly recommend it. I love it.
I've done like all kinds of strange cosplays. I mean, people think it's, like, it seems like just people believe that it's some weird thing of a ton of kids and adults dressed up as weird characters, and they just take too much like judging on it, whenever it's really just a hobby that people have. You see people dressed up as your favorite characters, and then other people see you dressed up as their favorite character, and like the reactions you're giving and receiving, like those are my favorite type of things. It gets my mind off any negative emotions I'm having. Like if I'm having like a depressive type of episode, then like getting into cosplay and feeling like I'm a different person, getting into character, it gets my mind off a bunch of things. So I find it a lot easier to handle my night then.
The purpose is to connect people. So it's a pretty simple mission, all about connecting, making those communities in little pockets kind of come together. You know, so many times, even though we have the internet and social media, it's tough to connect with people. This is offering a platform. The library is usually a good place only because we allow everyone in the doors. You know, we don't stop anyone from using our services, programming, resources. We are genuinely free and open for everyone. So we kind of are a natural place for people to gather. What we're trying to do is make it a little bit more proactive. We're trying to pick on those things that we have heard the community say, you know, it'd be really cool is if Ventura County had its own Comic-Con. Majority had said we want something arts, something culture, something for fandoms. So cosplay has been such a huge part of it. So if nothing else, you can come and connect over cosplay techniques and costuming in general, and all of the bling. It is just sparkly and shiny and full of glitter glue. So we get to do that.